being a dog walker, I'd say. Not just like, but I love it. It gives me a reason every day to get up. I feel connected to every single one of these animals and to their humans. And I feel like, yeah, this is my family. I love it. I was a gardener by trade and done it back in Louisiana and then started in California, but I saw these dog walkers and I realized I would love to do that. I saw Tate, a famous dog walker in the South Bay area, walking a bunch of dogs. So I asked Tate if she needed any part-time help. And I worked for a year, like in the early mornings, on weekends, while doing my other gardening job until I started my own business. My biggest thing that I had to overcome is just believing in myself. Because unless you believe in yourself, the dogs aren't going to believe in you either. The best advice that I was given was probably staying calm and assertive and not making eye contact and making yourself available to smell, but that doesn't mean available to jump on. It's just owning your space. I want to help dogs, but also at the same time, they are helping me tremendously. It's once the dogs get into a groove and you're doing the walks, it's almost like meditative. There's a zen, there's a power, and it's all combined. The dog's energy, my energy that we're getting back, and a lot of really great emotions come out of that. Skills that you need as a dog walker. Well, I think that you should be in fairly good shape, but I think the best skill that you can have is tapping into that inner peace and learning that that is the only energy that's going to get you the results that you want from dogs, because high energy is a weak energy, sad, sympathetic energy is a weak energy, and so what they really respect is somebody that's going to make the decisions for them, stay calm, and keep the pack moving. Learning how to handle a pack is just something that comes over time, and you just add one dog and you add another dog. My secret to keeping all the dogs to behave is that I expect good manners out of them. I believe that your tone and your voice says so much to the animal, so I find that praising ahead of time for dogs that might be reactionary to another dog passing, but just telling them good off and what I want from them, that they're good dogs, that my tone carries over. And I do use please sit, and I think that they respond to it. They hear the tone of my voice, they know I'm serious, but they also want to please me. Yes, I have been bitten. I have been bitten several times, many times it seems like. And it's just shocking, whether it breaks the skin or not. You take it personally a little bit until you realize that it's not something personal. It's either over space, it's over reacting to another dog. But for the most part, I don't feel like a dog has bit me when I, in this profession, shouldn't have been well aware that it was coming. So I think that they were mainly my mistakes. Dogs can be fixed so easily if someone knows what they're doing, and exercise is a huge part of that. You have to get rid of their energy. You have to give them a reason to, not build up that kind of tension. And that can change that dog's life forever. I mean, that can become now a socially, balanced dog. Anytime you get a new dog, you should become a dog walker. I don't care how old you are, you have to walk your dogs. It changed my life in that it brought calm to my life, it brought a routine to my life, it brought love to my life. I hope to be working until I'm at least 20, 30 years from now, maybe even longer.
Take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, looking at me.
Oh, slow down. Slow down, enjoy the moment, and don't be so focused on what's going to happen, but just live in the moment and get a dog. I'm Michelle Dossett Graves, and I am a dog walker.
Have me running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Have me running around, dressed in a gown, barefoot.
If you like this episode, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button or share this story. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Tschüss.